Yo, welcome to the videos. Deacon is here, and today we're into a video called Sketch and Ken Hendrick Couldn't Decide official music video. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've heard a couple of sketches like freestyles before. I think he got some. I think he got a little bit of spiel in it. I think he got a little bit of raps in him. I think he got a little bit of skill in him. You know what I'm saying? So let's hear Sketch when he's really trying to rap. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You know.
Oh my god. Hold on.
Nigga.
Huh? Hold on, Sketch. You saying nigga? Sketch. That's you saying nigga. Hold on, nigga. I ain't know Sketch was sipping on that lean. That shit don't look like lean though. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know, niggas.
Yeah. You know.
Yes. Hold on, chill, Sketch. I don't know why niggas set you up like that. You know what I mean? Niggas set you up, bro, cause they showing you while he's saying nigga, bro. They making you look crazy. But if it's you saying nigga, I'm gonna give you the pass, cause you might be retarded.
Yeah. Mega ballin'. Major ballin'. Me and my nigga, man.
Why my shit so laggy?
My dog. From another gutter. Hey, started from a bow. You don't even know the half. Bitch a leader stove. They walk out with the.
Hold on, we gotta go back, cause I'm not getting full experience right now, gang. Hey, y'all niggas low-key spitting. Alright, there you go. Let's go, give us a second to load.
My nigga, man. My dog.
Oh no, they really was sipping lean. The Sketch, put the cup down.
Hey, started from a bow. You don't even know the half. Bitch a leader stove. They walk out with the bags. Yeah, 10 ain't even enough. We won't even throw that in the stash. Spent a couple bands for Christmas. She just got her ass. All this give me cash. When I'm at the York, I ain't give a fuck. I got your bitch and she be doing chores. And I'm out in London, I be towing motherfucking stores. I got yo bitch in the back.
Okay.
And I'ma smash this shit like s'mores. Hey, like a s'more. Yo bitch at the door. Bitch can't even walk, too many peas all on the floor. We got shit that shoot from here to Brazil. We ready for war. Yeah, and we shooting dice and both.
Niggas, this song is called Couldn't Decide, and I can't decide if this is trash. Nigga, what to bro?
Tiger, win major, win platinum, went back to back. I ain't give a fuck, I had to go and get my ratchet back. I just took her
Hopefully shit don't lag no more.
to the bank. She just keep my strap. I ain't give a fuck. I'm Michael Phelps. I be swimming laps around, have these hoes. I be selling bows.
Damn, this nigga look high as shit.
At that point, making money is a sport. Yeah, we sit on the floor beside the players. Dapped up coach, nigga, see beside the mail. I might just throw a bell. My hoe, she eating a quail. I won't even watch the game. I'm starting to bet on heads or tails. Yeah, I need a bitch to give my bitch a hand. We parked the lamb in front of Timmy Chance. Yeah,
what the fuck
I'm
is that?
selling chickens cause it's in demand. Don't even call unless you with the bands. Don't even pull up unless you got the bands. Yeah, the dogs will jump the gate that's out my hand. I seen the money blow without the fan. Yeah, it's hard to get a toast from out the sand. Yeah, I see a bad bitch, I got the look. I'm 10 toes, I'm not an octopus. Just a good
ooh,
dude,
okay, that's
man,
kind
I'm
of,
not a crook.
that's low-key a bar
I
though.
be rapping all this shit that I never did. And I always keep it simmy, never keep it sick. And I'm in a Bentley coupe with a drop down, cause I'm smoking six. Running routes like I'm self on this. Yeah, I be with this bitch, she be with his kids. Smoking hella strong, never smoking mid. I grab my cups and sip my soda before I got the lid. Damn, hey, this bitch is low grade. I gotta be more paid. I'm ripping and running, I'm always hustling till I'm in old age. My son be fresher than his teacher, he want time for it. I fill a truck with fossil fuel, I drive a dinosaur. I'm faded, I'm a swerve. It's late and I'm on serve. He don't even speak my language, but the essay take my word. It's bright and early, I open the brick, I seen a baby bird. Trapped till we broke the lease and I was paying them on the third. I'm coming in the game, all yelling rose gold.
Hold on.
I couldn't decide to go Johnny or go Zoe. I'm counting
hold on, he's cooking.
I'm in my jeweler catch a cold.
Damn.
Spend 150, now my neck and wrist froze. YouTube
Nigga.
be a target, I'm shopping out Neiman Marcus. I just bought out the department and I'm rocking gallery. I got Quaking by the carton in the Maybach watching Martin. We got bows in the apartment, that's why niggas mad at me. I can't complain, they sent the plane, I live good. I know you see my chain, I'm picking drink up in the hood. Yeah, 5 for bars, 2 for songs, 2 for drink. I know the coach will put me in before they lose a game. Coming in the game, all yelling rose gold. I couldn't decide to go Johnny or go Zoe. I'm counting dirty money, I'm in my jewelry.
Okay, we can stop this right here, bro. We can stop this here. I don't give a fuck about that after 20 seconds. This shit alright, gang. This shit alright. Would I be listening to? Fuck no. Matter of fact, I'm taking my life back, nigga. Fuck that shit. It's an okay song, bro. It's an okay song. I'm giving that shit like a 5, but nigga, like damn. I'm giving that shit a 5, if you being honest. You know what I'm saying? Low key, maybe a 5.5. 5.5, low key. That's valid. Nigga said, bro, Sketch's voice is insane. Yeah, bro. You two used to the retard act. I'm already knowing. Okay, then talk your shit, Sketch. You ain't say shit. This whole track actually hard as fuck. Why niggas be lying? Whole track? Come on, let's be serious. The whole track? Like the entire thing? Like the entirety of the song? Like the whole thing? Hey, bro, Ferris. Oh wait, this nigga Sketch be listening to it. Oh shit. This is unironically harder than anything Platboy Mass has put out. Nigga. This is not even Platboy Mass's best song, gang.
Show me what you do on the dance floor.
Yeah, Max.
100 floors up, popping champagne
Bottles.
She stare at me, she wanna shit.
Instagram model. The rich bitch, everything paid for. Come on, nigga.
Because of lifestyle. I think this shit one, so I'ma wait for it.
And it started popping.
Yeah. When we on the dance floor,
Started popping. When I'm on the dance floor, started popping. When we on the dance floor. When we on the dance floor. Matter of fact, you telling me you think that Sketch song better than this? You think that Sketch song better than this?
all my bitches so sexy, they
And
don't
you
even
gotta do too much. I'm making way too much. I'm bleeding from my neck. I just got some
new
princess cuss.
She ride a boat, get drunk. I'm crossfaded on, gonna feel like every bitch tryna fuck. Cause every bitch tryna fuck. She move her body so hypnotically, shit got me in a trance. Know why she here.
And the winner is Platboy
Got a
Mass.
big ass on me, got a big body back. Got racks on me, got a big body back. I know she wanna fuck me on this shit. I know she wish she was sucking my dick. I'm addicted to sex. She love the fuck, she addicted to sex. 13 pounds on my is a savant. I think I got an addiction to spending. Cut my bank, is bleeding out checks. I tuck my body, I bleed from my chest. I'm way too fried, just throw up, I'm sick. I'm way too high up, I thought I was dead. 2 a.m. in the club, bitch, tryna pour up. 2 a.m. in the club, bitch, tryna pour up. Pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, pour it up.
This turned into a Platboy Mass listening party. Hold on, this turned into a Platboy Mass listening party, nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard this one. I said, no. You think? Hold on, let me turn this motherfucker all the way. Yeah.
Yeah. Just a young nigga poppin' my shit. Niggas mad as hell, said a tear every dollar I get. I ain't never blocked no bitch. She got a new man, I don't care cause she coming back quick. I move around my city like dick. There's so many stacks in my pockets, I fat as a bitch. And I ain't never went on no trip, but this bitch tryna gobble some shrooms and then gobble with a dick. I play for New Jersey like Carter. Ballin' so hard, put my arm in the rim.
Y'all not hearing properly?
She think I'm so funny, she know that I'm lit. She said she don't like give it head, she see all this motion, she licking the tip. Trey up at 3 in the morning, I'm tryna make music, I got his ass sick. Yeah, I slide on the beat like it's butter. I hop in the whip, it's a big body cutter. Post up in Maxfield, 10 on the best, real spell, I'm a 5-star stunner.
I said you're not hearing it properly. I got you, bro. I got you. You're not hearing it properly, bro. I'm sorry. Let me fix this shit for you, nigga. Let me fix this shit for you, nigga. I told you I got you, bro. Y'all can hear it properly now.
Yeah.
Hold on, look.
Yeah. Just a young nigga poppin' my shit. Niggas mad as hell, said a tear every dollar I get. I ain't never blocked no bitch. She got a new man, I don't care cause she coming back quick. I move around my city like dick. There's so many stacks in my pockets, I fat as a bitch. And I ain't never went on no trip, but this bitch tryna gobble some shrooms and then gobble with a dick. I play for New Jersey like Carter. Ballin' so hard, put my arm in the rim. Her spinning hoe jai. She think I'm so funny, she know that I'm late. She said she don't like giving head. She see all this motion, she licking the tip. Trey up at 3 in the morning, I'm trying to make music. I got his ass sick. Yeah, I slide on the beat like it's butter. I hop in the whip, it's a big body cutter. Post up in Maxfield, 10 on the vest, real spell. I'm a 5-star stunner. Please don't rep my shit, you was not one of us. Real spill, you a runner. And my bitch better shit, she swag when she walkin'. These hoes mad again like Bunner. Just a young nigga poppin' my shit. Niggas mad as hell, shed a tear every dollar I get. I ain't never blocked no bitch. She got a new man, I don't care cause she coming back quick. I move around my city like dick. There's so many stacks in my pockets, I fat as a bitch. And I ain't never went on no trip, but this bitch tryna gobble some shrooms and then gobble the dick.
Niggas telling me the sketch song better than that, bro? Come on, bro. Like, L Dicky. Let's be serious here, bro. Let's be serious here. Alright, man. But yo, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe button. I'm not too sure. This video might not get posted. I went on a Platform Mass listening spree, if you know what I'm saying. But hey, bro, Platform Mass drop bangers, nigga. And those aren't even his real bangers, nigga. Nigga really got bangers, nigga. He really got bangers. Yeah, man. If you like the video, hit like button, subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? One like, I drop a video on the same exact fucking day.
That's me.
Yeah, that's me.
Time to fuck up her. On the 5, I can't give up on the guys. Big stones, they survive.
For the 5. Fat boy.